Is aggravated second-degree battery in Louisiana a felony or misdemeanor? Aggravated second-degree battery in Louisiana is a felony-grade battery charge. It is more severe than second-degree battery, simple battery, and aggravated battery. What are the penalties for aggravated second-degree battery? Whoever commits the crime of aggravated second-degree battery shall be fined not more than $10,000 or imprisoned with or without hard labor for not more than 15 years or both. What constitutes aggravated second-degree battery in Louisiana? Aggravated second-degree battery is a battery committed with a dangerous weapon when the offender intentionally inflicts serious bodily injury. For instance, aggravated second-degree battery occurs when the offender uses a baseball bat, a car, crowbar, brass knuckles, etc. If the defendant commits a battery using a gun or knife, he'll most likely get charged with attempted murder. Sometimes using a vehicle can lead to attempted murder charges as well. There must also be serious bodily injury upon the victim as a result of the battery, and the injury must be intentional. Is aggravated second-degree battery a crime of violence? Yes. Aggravated second-degree battery is a crime of violence in Louisiana. This is important because if the defendant is sentenced to prison time, he must complete 85% of his sentence. Also, a defendant cannot receive a deferred sentence under Article 893 if the charge is a crime of violence. What are the defenses to aggravated second-degree battery? There are various defenses to aggravated second-degree battery. There are two most common defenses that I see. First, the defendant may assert that the aggravated second-degree battery occurred but was in self-defense. In Louisiana, you can use force against another person if that force is reasonable to protect you or someone else. Second, the defendant can argue that the bodily injury was never intended, or that it was reasonable to assume that the means in which the battery was inflicted would not result in that type of injury. How do I handle a warrant for aggravated second-degree battery? You will likely have to turn yourself in on the arrest warrant for aggravated second-degree battery. Since it is a felony offense, you will need to be booked and a bail set by a judge. The bail amount set by a judge will likely be relatively high, so be prepared. Contact a criminal lawyer to help advise you prior to turning yourself in. Can the victim file a lawsuit against me for aggravated second-degree battery? Yes. The victim can file a lawsuit against you for civil battery damages. This is a separate and different court case altogether. If you get served with a petition for damages, contact a lawyer as soon as possible to help you file an answer. How do I hire a lawyer for aggravated second-degree battery? If you need a lawyer for aggravated second-degree battery in Louisiana, I may be able to help. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Baton Rouge who has defended many clients charged with aggravated second-degree battery in Louisiana. And I've been doing it for over 14 years. So feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to help.